Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the SQL group by statement. The group by statement is used to group rows that have same values in specified columns into summary rows. This is the syntax we can use for the group by statement. It is often used in conjunction with aggregate functions like count, sum, average, max, minimum to perform operations on each group. Let's understand the group by statement with the given table. In this table, we can see that we have two columns, LOB and sale. And if we summarize the total sale made by each LOB, then we will find out that the total sale done by UET is 106 and the total sale made by QNT is 65. And this is how our data set will look like once we use the group by statement on top of this table. Okay, let's understand the group by statement with the help of the table ERA. In this table, we can see that we have two columns, LOB and sale. And we want to find out the total sale made by each LOB. So we will use the group by statement and we will summarize the LOB column on the basis of sale value. So we'll write down select. First, we need to give the name of the column on which we want to summarize the data. So we want to summarize on the basis of LOB. I'll write down LOB, comma. Now, which column we want to use in the aggregate function? The column name is sale. So I'll write down sum sale. Now give the table name. And now we will use the group by statement. Okay, once we have written the group by statement, then we have to provide the name of the column on which we are going to summarize the data. In this scenario, we are going to summarize the data on the basis of LOB. So we'll write down LOB. And this is how we have completed our statement. Just select the statement and click on the execute button. And now we can see that we have find the total sale made by each LOB using the group by statement. We have observed that no column name is given, so we can give an alias total sale. I'll just execute this statement again, and this time we have the data set. So using the group by statement, we can find out the summarize data of any column. It's very important to note that whatever column we are going to summarize must come after the group by statement. If we skip this column name, then it will throw an error. Suppose I do not provide the LOB. If I run this statement and click on execute button, it will throw an error. So it is mandatory that if you're using an aggregate function and before that you're using any column name, then you will have to use the aggregate group by statement. Okay, let's do one more example. In this example, we want to find the total sale made by each region in each line of business. Means we want to first summarize the data on the basis of LOB, and within LOB, we want to summarize the data on the basis of region. So we'll write down select LOB, then region. Because first summarization will be done on LOB, and after that the data will be summarized on region. So we will write down LOB and after that region. And now we will say sum data as total sale from table name. Group by. This point is very important because we are going to summarize the data on the basis of two columns, LOB and region. So it is very important to provide both the column name here, LOB and region. Our statement is ready. Once I will execute this statement will summarize the sale of region within LOB. Select the statement and click on execute button. This is how our data set will look like. Just to make it more clear, we will use the order by clause. Order by, first I want to order the data on LOB and then on the basis of region. We have already discussed that we can skip the ASC because I want to sort this data in ascending pattern. So I just select this statement and click on execute button. And now we can see that our data is first summarized on the basis of QNT, and within QNT the data is summarized on the basis of region column, and the same summarization happened on all the three LOBs. First it is summarized on QNT, then on RNT, then UET, and within each LOB the data is summarized on the basis of each region. And so this way we can use multiple columns in the group by statement.